Several types of livestock panels are commonly used to build corral trap enclosures. These hog, sheep, goat, cattle, and horse panels range in heights between 34 and 60 inches tall, normally 16 feet long, and contain mesh openings from 2 inches tall up to 6 inches tall. This segment will demonstrate why most commercial livestock panels are vulnerable to feral hog escapes. As with any control effort, there are exact methods and procedures which are more efficient than others. First, we must identify the age in which piglets begin traveling with their mother from the nest. The morning of 20 July at 5:20 a.m. was the last time this pregnant gilt was filmed at the trap enclosure before delivering her litter. 9 days later, on 29 July, at 7:03 a.m., was the first time she reappeared at this bait site. Her litter of 4 piglets was recorded at 10:16 a.m. This footage documented feral piglets begin traveling with their mother as early as 9 days old. Trappers must select the appropriate trap panels based on this information. Now we will identify the various panel types and eliminate those which are not capable of holding feral hogs. This is a commercial hog panel used to hold domestic hogs. They are 16 feet long and only 34 inches tall. The bottom horizontal bars are 2 inches tall for the first 10 inches, then spread to 4 inches tall. The commercial hog panel is only designed for domestic animals, as wild hogs will easily jump over the top. The next group is labeled as cattle or combination panels. The cattle panel is 50 inches tall and 16 feet long. The bottom 2 horizontal bars are 4 inches tall, then spread to 6 inches. These 9-week-old piglets clear the 6-inch opening without slowing down. This model is labeled as a combination panel, which is 52 inches tall and also 16 feet long. The bottom 3 horizontal bars are 2 inches tall, then spread to 4 inches. The tighter configuration held the 9-week-old piglets, but not these 2 7-week-old piglets. This footage documented pigs up to 7 weeks old can still escape through a 4-inch opening. Here is photo evidence an adult can also climb a 52-inch panel. The next type is labeled as a sheep, goat, or utility panel. They are only 48 inches tall and 16 feet long, with mesh openings 4 inches wide by 4 inches tall. Based on earlier documentation, this panel dimension will not hold pigs younger than 7 weeks old either. The final type is labeled as a horse panel. They are 60 inches tall and 16 feet long. Their mesh openings are only 2 inches wide by 4 inches tall and will hold both juvenile and adult feral pigs. Using this information, JAGER Pro has designed the ultimate panel for trapping feral hogs. It is 16 feet long with 16 horizontal bars to reach 56 inches in height, so it can easily be transported on a 5-foot wide trailer. The bottom 6 horizontal bars are only 2 inches tall, then spreads to 3 inches tall, which makes the bottom 18 inches impossible for the youngest piglets to escape. This panel is half the cost and half the weight of a horse panel, enabling a single person to erect the very best trapping enclosure. This segment demonstrated the JAGER 1656 trap panels, holding 20 feral hogs for several hours as we documented escape footage from less effective panels inside the trap enclosure. Intel gathered from on-site video is crucial to your future success. The next video in our series will continue to demonstrate feral hog behavior, so viewers will better understand how to accomplish 100% captures for more effective hog control. Be sure to ask about shipping our JAGER mine trapping system and the 1656 panels to a farm supply store near you. Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment or learn more about the methods and technology needed to better control feral hog populations in your area.